Welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the Best-See M33 front and rear dash cam. Stay tuned to the end where I'll be showing you some additional driving footage of this camera. Now the front dash cam records at a 4K, which is 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second resolution when used by itself. When you're recording with the front and rear camera, the resolution is 2.5 for the front dash cam and 1080p for the rear dash cam. Now the front dash cam is equipped with the 170 degrees wide angle lens that covers the full view of the road. The rear camera has a 150 degrees wide angle lens that maximizes the rear coverage and reduces blind spots. The dash cam has HDR technology, a 6-glass lens, and an ultra-large f1.8 aperture which balances the low light and bright light to give you clear driving footage in the daytime or nighttime. The rear camera records 360-degree rotation, providing you coverage around your vehicle. If there's an incident happening inside your cabin, simply rotate the camera to the area. If you want to see an unboxing of the Best-See M33 dash cam, I'll put a link in the top right for you. The Best-See M33 dash cam is equipped with the 1.47 IPS screen to view the real-time driving, and then it'll switch to a screensaver that displays the time and date. To view the back camera, all you need to do is simply long press the side button. Then long press it again to see the Wi-Fi QR code will be displayed with the Wi-Fi SSID and password information. Then long press the side button again for the front camera will be displayed. The dash cam includes a free 64GB SD card to get you on the road and start. The maximum SD card for this dual dash cam is 512GB. I recommend buying the maximum SD card for this dash cam. The more locked files you have, the less space you have for loop recording. The M33 has a built-in Wi-Fi to connect to the GKU app. With the app, you could adjust your settings, view your driving files, download your files, and save your footage from your smartphone, and share your footage from your smartphone. The built-in GPS accurately records driving routes, real-time speed, and location, which can be viewed on the app. This feature helps you track and share your travel history, but provide crucial evidence in the event of an accident. The dash cam also comes with loop recording. Loop recording will create new recordings that will automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You don't have to do anything, it's all done by your dash cam. You can set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recordings. Even though you have loop recording, you must format your dash cam at least once a month. This is because it's recording new videos and deleting videos. Then there is G-Sensor. The G-Sensor can be set to off, low, mid, or high. A collision triggers the G-Sensor or shakes like potholes, speed bumps, and hard braking. The dash cam will lock the current footage and can't be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for evidence for any insurance claim. I'll put a link in the top right for you for more information on G-Sensor and loop recording. This has value information for dash cam users. Then there is 24-hour parking mode. To use parking mode, a Best-See hardwire kit is required. Best-See will send you the hardwire kit for free. All you have to do is scan the QR code in the manual. These hardwire kits cost $30, and Best-See is giving you for free. And I'll put a link in the description for a step-by-step installation on how to install this Type-C hardwire kit into your vehicle. Let me explain what a hardwire kit does. A hardwire kit has a low voltage protection that automatically turns off the dash cam when the car battery voltage drops a certain level. This helps prevent the car battery from being drained, ensuring your car can be started up normally the next time you use it. The M33 dash cam comes with two types of parking modes: collision detection and time-lapse. You will need to select one of the following parking modes and turn off the other mode. Both parking modes will not work together. For collision detection parking mode, the G-Sensor will automatically detect a collision or shake and auto-lock the video. This video will not be overridden by loop recording. You can set this to off, low, mid, or high. For time-lapse parking mode, the dash cam will record continuously for 15 minutes, 24 hours, 12 hours, or 48 hours. When you review your footage, it will look like the dash cam is on fast forward. This is best used in apartment complexes, parking garages, or suspicious area. But be sure to subscribe to JD's Dash Cam for a step-by-step video on installing the Best-See M33 dash cam. Now let me show you some driving footage and you can see the camera put to work. Okay, so what did you think? Is this the right dash cam for you? If it is, I'll put a link in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos because I got more videos of this dash cam coming out, and we also do tech gadgets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!